For my lesson, I did classifying two-dimensional shapes while understanding the hierarchy. This lesson is made for 5th grade. So the objectives are identify and describe the attributes of two-dimensional shapes using side, angles, and symmetry. Classifying shapes in a hierarchy, for example, all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are square, and using a graphic organizer to categorize the shapes. For a warm-up, I will show these shapes and we'll ask what is the same about these shapes and what is different about these shapes. I will give time for students to answer. Then I will explain, I would ask what are some attributes that become a category, and they will turn and talk to their neighbor, and we will come back and have a discussion about the attributes up here. So, for example, a polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. So, for example, a circle is not a polygon. And then for the square, angles. A polygon's interior measure adds up to 180 degrees. Example, a square has 4 90-degree angles. And then with the triangle, sides. The sides are straight lines that create the shape itself. For example, a triangle has 3 sides. Then finally, for the hexagon, symmetry. If a shape is symmetrical, if you see half the shape, the other side is exactly the same. For example, a hexagon is symmetrical. Then the students will watch the hierarchy YouTube video. I will not show it here. Oh,
Hello,
this. Sorry. Then the students will complete a card sort activity. So they will find a partner, then sort their cards into categories. Once they have the categories, they will create the graphic organizer. It will look something like this. This will be the model. This will be the example. Then they will play the Kahoot that I made, giving them a quiz or a check for understanding. Then another check for understanding, which is a test prep activity on the Nearpod.